What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We back here at the swap lane, man. Yesterday we got that joint started. We are here with the Maxter, and he's rolling in his IROC with a LS2 swap in there. We're on our way to the junkyard right now, man. The rack and pinion we got was from AutoZone, so he was saying that he didn't think that the OEM stuff was gonna like match up perfect. He thinks one like from an OEM run or something at the junkyard. We're just gonna go get another, try to go find a steering column or something with some keys or something like that, and get everything situated. So get all the little stuff we may need at the junkyard. So let's go. Back at the junkyard, man.
This punk ass steering with this new rack and pinion. So we got this AutoZone rack and pinion, and we got the factory steering shaft.
Right.
And that AutoZone, you know, it's never the same. It's never factory. It's never OEM.
Right.
Oh, excuse me. Where's your license and insurance? License and insurance. So you know, it's never the same. So I got a trick up my sleeve, you know, dealing with these Camaros for a long time. The LT steering shafts, they flexible in the middle.
Right.
They poof.
Right.
So that's what we need. We need one.
So we're gonna throw one off of LT on there and get that thing back on the road today, man. Okay. So we headed to the Camaro section here at the junkyard, man. We're gonna see what we can find up here, dog. So just like that, guys, we are in Camaro heaven right now. Got some little 22s over here. Okay. But yeah, they got the Z28s, all type of Chevys and Camaros, Trans Am, all the 4th gens you can think of. So yeah, let's check out what we need though.
Grabbing your gloves, rushing.
Oh, you said you didn't grab none? Oh, so you found what you was looking for. That easy, huh?
Yeah, you see how this one shifts in the middle?
Oh, yeah.
See how in the middle and at the top?
Oh, yeah.
See what I'm talking about?
That easy, huh?
Watch this here. See, on the LT, it moves in 2 spots. It moves right there, and it also flexes right there.
Right.
So that I think we put one of these, it's gonna give us our leverage that we need.
We're gonna be good to go then.
To train to go.
All right, man. So we looking for, while he's doing that, we're gonna look for a Camaro with a key in the ignition. There's no key in that ignition. That one's kind of hanging out. Let's see. No key in that one either. Oh, dang. No key in there. Still no, everybody. Okay, let's try this one up here. Well, no key in that one either. I don't even know if these things come with keys or not. I don't know. What y'all think? Do some of these junkyard cars come with keys in the ignition or not? I've never seen one before, but apparently they do. I don't know. I mean, oh yeah, I could be looking for some taillights while I'm up here too. I doubt I'll find any. They all look gone or just like mine. See, look, this one is just like mine, broke in the same exact spots. This one I'm gonna have to open the other door to see. No keys in none of these joints. That's crazy. Yep, no key. I don't know. We'll try to figure something out here. This the one?
This is the tail I need for now.
Yeah. Oh, they updated it. Oh, okay, I see. 305?
V6.
Oh, V6 one. Oh, yeah. So boom, literally 3 minutes later, we got the part we need. Now we just looking just to look, man. Let me see what they got. So what you plan to do, man? What's the plan?
So take the V6 Camaro.
Right.
Take the intake off, and then we go slap a supercharger on the GS Reaper.
You can do that?
You can do anything.
Damn, man.
To it.
So I didn't even think about that. They pretty much got the same motors, right? They both like, what, 3.8?
Yeah.
So you guys know the GTP Grand Prix and all those come with the supercharger. So what he's saying is you can throw those superchargers on a V6 Camaro and have a supercharged car. Take the whole engine and put it in there? Yeah. That's built for that. Right, makes sense. Yeah, man, we got the new steering piece and everything that quick. So we're about to go back to the swap land and toss this bad boy on. Out here about to go up for y'all, show them real quick. Y'all know we be in traffic, man. We gotta bring LA to Vegas somehow, man. So, you know, better him than me, man. I'm chilling now. Ooh, the popo is right there. Gee. I don't know if y'all can see them popo in the back, but that was for sure right there. Ooh, wait. What's up, guys? Just made it back from the junkyard. Now we're at the swap land, man. We're about to take that little part that we got off the Camaro there and toss this bad boy on. It should go on pretty easily. So let's get it and check it out, man.
Do a couple more little taps, dog.
So it's working out, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
So it looks like we got our steering just about set up. So we got that steering wheel figured out, huh?
Oh yeah, man. Took some cool little fabbing.
Let's see.
Couple of junkyard runs.
You guys see, we gotta get that bolt in there. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna try to turn this steering wheel, man. Damn, that thing hard as heck. That shit's still turning like. Can't go no more that way. Let's try this way.
Once it runs out, it'll run itself out.
That motherfucker. Let's get that cold start, man. Alrighty, guys, so we got the steering in, we got the air compressor on, we got the front tires on, we got to pump up this back tire here, we got the car on the ground, leveled out, all intact, and it's just about time to give this thing a first test drive, man. What do you guys think it's gonna do? Don't know, man. We'll see though. We shall see. So he was trying to pump up this back tire here, but that tire's like rotted out. So he came through with the dummy on the back. Alrighty, guys, so as you've seen, we got the car pulled out the driveway. However, it's literally like no gas at all in that thing, so it keeps dying and the battery is like super dead. So while he charges up that battery, we're gonna go grab a little bit of gas really quick, and hopefully we can get this thing started, man. Alrighty guys, back at the swap land. Got the gas, man. About to gas it up and see what happens real quick. Got a couple gallons, so we'll see. Nothing too crazy though. Alrighty guys, so it's got some 91 in there. Thing already sounds like it's running really, really good. Really beast-like. It honestly sounds real good with those headers. I thought it was gonna sound a lot louder, but it is pretty fair if you ask me. Probably move this wood around here.
Just a test drive.
Yeah, man. Let's get y'all something in here real quick, man. Got a little gas in that Joan there, man. Got a little gas. Let's see. Dang, that steering is hard. Got low oil light. Wow. Guys, we're driving this thing. Whoa. We're driving. We back on the road. Oh, do we got brakes? Okay, we got brakes. We got brakes, man. We need to get this steering situated, man. That's the only thing. Like, it's still not right. You guys see how hard it is for me to turn the steering wheel? It's still not right. Let's see. It's shifting pretty good. Second. Third. Yeah, it's shifting really good, guys. We could use some brake pads. You guys know the brake pads are like pretty much done. But man, this thing is running really, really good, man. I can't wait. I'm actually late to go meet up with my girl because she got to go to work, but this is definitely worth it. All the gears and stuff work in the trans, man. That's a plus, dog. I'm happy now. Got some shifting. That motherfucker work. Yeah, it worked, y'all. I'm digging it. That's crazy, man. Ooh-wee. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. What he gonna do? Okay. This steering is so hard. That's the only thing. Then now I think we got an electric problem because none of the lights on the dash is on right now. I don't know if that's got something to do with the ignition or not, but a pretty cool first little run, y'all. We got a bunch of little bugs to figure out. It's starting to die on us, so let's hurry up and get this back up in the swap land before this thing dies on us. So we'll see. All the fucking electricity cut off on this motherfucker.
Huh?
All the lights cut off on it. Ain't no lights.
That's what happened to him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he probably had an electrical problem.
This shit crazy.
That's what was happening. I remember I was telling you.
Oh, me.
That problem. This is the same shit that was happening to him. The lights are cut off. Everything is cut off. There's short circuit on the side of the freeway.
It's crazy.
Because we know the battery is that alternator should be charging that battery. It shouldn't be cutting off, you feel me?
Yeah, nah, for sure. So, alrighty, guys, man, you seen we came to the swap lane with the thing freaking knocking. As you see, we left out with that thing running and running smooth. It runs pretty nice. What you think, man?
Oh yeah, we just got like the car already had a little electrical problem.
Yeah, it already had issues
So,
previous before we
it's
even
still
had
having
it.
the
So
same issues.
yeah, so we got to fix somebody else's issues.
So it's clearly something with the alternated relays and stuff like that. So, but other than that, the motor and tranny is in there.
Yeah,
nice
and the motor
tight.
and tranny is running good. The trans actually went through all the gears on the other
one,
end.
so I counted 1, 2,
Yeah,
3.
it run real good. So it's just the little kinks and dings. Got to figure out that steering, man, eventually. But for the most part, man, we got the main part done. So it's all like little tiny stuff now. If that,
the bugs out
yeah.
now.
So
just getting the bugs
yeah,
out.
if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys was asking about my boy Sideways Mac YouTube. The link will be below in the description. So yeah, go follow him on YouTube, man. Give him a subscribe, man.
TV.
You feel me? Come fuck with us, man. Until next time, guys, though, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Everything's regular.
And guys, I gotta go, but I'm giving you one last look around this bad boy before I take off, man. Thing looks freaking beast. But tomorrow we'll try to get everything worked out, get to the exhaust shop or something.